Back at the junkyard. I came for a battery, and first thing I see is this. Let me see, there's a nice white Civic hatch over here. Looks pretty nice. Kind of a shame since I want one so bad, an EH2. Little Del Sol right here. Has my seats, pretty thrashed. Has these little markers, side markers right here. Stanley. Probably OEM. Yeah, it's OEM. Oops, my bad. That's pretty cool. Other one's missing. I wonder what engine is it. I know it's nothing special, probably just a little single cam. There's a little insight right here. Let's see, someone got some nice taillights right there. Or they didn't want them no more. Alright, so these see right here. Tan interior, OBD2. Yep. Okay, I already see some coilovers, random lanyard. That's pretty cool right there. Can't use anything in here. It was a 5-speed LS, 98 and up. Let's see what year, 2000. Man, this thing was in way better condition than when I got my car. My car was way more thrashed. So it looks like maybe ground control style. Hood pins. And a carbon fiber hood. Let's check this out. I'm gonna get this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's just keep walking. I see another Integra. Pretty sweet. Let's get a price check real quick. Alright guys, so $53.30 for the Integra hood, and I'm possibly just gonna get it because I've been wanting one of those. It's a little bit beat up, but it could be repaired. So let's just see how it goes. Look at this thing right here. I guess that's to sweep. That's pretty cool. That's like a big ass wire brush. That's crazy. Little Toyota right here. You know what's sad? I keep checking Craigslist for these, and it just seems that people just junk them, but they don't post them online because I would buy it. But yeah, so let's go check out that Integra more. this glass. Still trying to debate if I should get it or not. It looks good, but man, I'm just not sure. I just got back from all the madness, and after driving all around town to different places, just running errands. Here's the hood. Just it actually fit in the back. That says Sparkle. You can see it right there too, Sparkle. So that's kind of cool. I think it says made in Italy. I didn't even know Sparkle was Italian, but that's pretty cool. So, I mean, obviously it's gonna be needing redone. It's got holes drilled into it for the actual for the hood pins. I didn't grab the hood pins because I'm planning not to use them. And that corner is pretty chipped where they try to open the hood, but they went all the way and that smashed the fender. Messed up right there. That's fiberglass, and everything is just basically separating, as you can see. There's one crack right here and one crack right there, but the actual skin is not cracked. But yeah, let me put the mic on, actually. Hold on. All right guys, so hopefully you could hear me better. But yeah, so it's obviously going to be needing another a good sanding, and right here it's kind of showing through, like, I don't know, it's like it's kind of like to the weave already, but I could probably have another piece of cloth laid over it and you know, epoxied or gel coated over. I could probably just back this up with some type of like fiberglass and then just put the weave over that. But the main thing that kind of concerns me is that this is rusted out and it's pretty damn bent, and it didn't even want to latch, and then I actually didn't even try latching it because I didn't want it to get stuck. I got the hardware for it, but I don't know why I even got the hardware. But yeah, so I'm gonna actually try and see what brand this is and try and restore it. Mikey, don't pee on it. But yeah, so it's a little bit smashed right here. It's like kind of like delaminating, but that looks like a pretty easy fix, and they have pretty cool little kits that you can buy to like repair. But yeah guys, so this is gonna be one little project for 2019. If you want to see more of this hood and possible restoration and everything, that's all going to be determined by you guys. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. Smash the like, subscribe. But yeah, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.